The Dream-See-Do platform reimagines how online and blended learning can be done. In this video, I'll be talking through some of the key features as well as demonstrating how the platform provides an experience that truly engages learners while remaining accessible for teachers and educators. So, in front of us, we can see the Dream-See-Do platform. This is what the instructor can see when they first log in. From here, they can edit the course, see how students are doing, engage with them, schedule live video group coaching calls, workshops, and more. Two things I'll quickly mention. We've made Dream-See-Do extremely customizable to meet your distinct needs. For instance, here we've said workshops, but if you are a school, you may wish to say classes. We can give you the ability to adjust terminology to your liking. You can also adjust the design and colours to match your brand. We can even turn features on and off for you to allow learners to have a more focused learning experience, customised to their specific needs and goals. And all of this can be easily designed within different learning groups or communities. The activity, resources and programmes for each unique group accessible in just one click. The other thing I'll mention is that what you're seeing here is what the learner will see when they log in, but with a lightweight admin layer naturally built in. We wanted to ensure that as an instructor designing a course, you could truly understand how a learner might react, and we felt the best way to do that was to ensure that what the instructor sees is as close as possible to the end experience. In any other learning management system, there's a disconnect between the two. The admin experience feels awkward, and therefore courses are created that just don't work for the learner. So let's dig deeper into the platform. Here you can see the workshops that we've created, and just one click away, we can access a range of functions with these simple hot links. You can invite participants, clone an existing one, view the dashboard, or edit. We work hard to ensure everything is just one click away. I'm going to edit this workshop now. Again, what we see here is the same that the learner will see. We just have the ability to edit as well. So you're creating the learning environment and can truly understand the experience you were designing. We've got 4 stages to creating a course. The main one is steps. Here you can create the course itself. Think of these as your exercises, activities, or assignments, and where you load your content. You can split out our beautifully coloured sections up as you like, by week, by subject matter, by difficulty, that's up to you. And you can easily change the colour here along with other settings. In this case, we've split the course up by subject matter, empathy details, empathy in relationships, etc. And you can see here we've got segments for each subject matter and then the individual learning steps within that. If you're familiar with any drag and drop platform like Squarespace or Wix, then you will instantly understand how to use Dream-See-Do. I can very easily add blocks and choose how I pull this workshop together. You have a range of blocks to choose from: text, Google Doc, video, audio, image, file, form, and live video. Live video is actually one of our most loved features. Integrated with Zoom, it gives you the ability to include and schedule live video calls. I just need to set a date, fill in some basic details, and that's it. All relevant learners will get a reminder via email or the Dream-See-Do website and mobile apps. You can also record this to the cloud and it will automatically be placed here in this step and in our learning feed. Other useful things you can do here? Well, you can create a survey and use it to show how students have evolved, or to just assess their ability. Self-assessments are often used by our clients to bookend programs in this way. And then we introduce what we call the prompt and response loop. Within any course step, you can provide a prompt and ask learners to respond. For example, in this course, we are asking learners to share their views on empathy. This is a fantastic way to get learners to reflect and engage with their learning further. They can then share their responses with either the entire cohort or just the instructor. And you can enable them to record videos, audio, text documents, and more. Test and try out various options and work out which ones work best for your learners. So you can see how quickly and easily an instructor can pull a course together. I'm now going to switch to the learner view. So this is the course info page, where a learner can understand what the course is about, the curriculum, and who it is for. We've meticulously designed Dream-See-Do to create strong completion rates. This is just one small example where you can see how long each exercise will take you. This has a surprisingly large impact on learner engagement, as it means they can decide to do a step during a lunch break or just when they have some free time. A lot of other online platforms and courses have a 7 to 15% completion rate. And if you're getting rates such as this, you may need to ask yourself if the course you've created is truly an engaging online learning experience. On the other hand, our client partners report an average of 300% better completion and engagement through DreamSeeDo. So moving back into our course, this time as a learner, you can see how incredibly similar the layout is to what we saw earlier. We focused on making this page consumable. You can easily scroll down and understand what you have to do. You also have the option to print off the course if you desire. Having gone through the course, I can then respond to the prompt, and then as soon as I submit, I will be shown a peer's submission and will be encouraged to engage with them. As a learner, this encourages me to connect with others. As an instructor, your course will benefit from a dedicated community. This loop is one of the most powerful parts of DreamSeeDo and cannot be found on any other platform. It enables both journaling and self-reflection, as well as peer support and asynchronous engagement, all powerful tools for learning and behaviour change that sticks. We always try and push people to the next logical step. Completed a course, then reflect on it and respond to a prompt. Submitted a prompt, then you'll be encouraged to connect with your cohort. Done with that, then you'll be driven to the next stage. That gives you a quick overview of the DreamSeeDo platform. There are many other aspects I could mention, such as the learner activity feed, where instructors or learners can see all activity or conversations on their course or courses, or the resource library, where you can upload learning materials of all the same content types, whatever you might need to support the learning experience. Or one of the several dashboards, where you can see analytics and understand how your learners are engaging and check you aren't leaving any questions unanswered or anyone behind. Or even the calendar, where instructors and learners can understand their learning history and any upcoming deadlines. All these features truly transform online learning from what has traditionally been a passive experience, like watching a bunch of videos, to something that is interactive and engaging, like offline learning, with the ability to ask questions, do collaborative tasks, etc. And in many ways, we're transcending the traditional offline learning experience. I hope this has been of interest to you, and if you want to find out more, then be sure to contact us.